Hi, I want to thank everybody for all the wonderful comments on my titles that I made for the scrapbook. I'm going to try to do a quick walkthrough on how I made the at the pool one. Keep in mind it's my first time making them, so if there's an easier way, I don't know it. Okay, first we're going to go over here to images, and in this case we're going to type the word pool. Enter, and it's the first one, so we're going to select that, add it to the canvas. As you can see, this already has a few layers. This blue around here is a layer. All right, and then I'm going to just pull this to the side and we're going to get the font. So we're just going to type at the. You can pick any font you want. Just go up here. There's so many different fonts, but I'm just going to go with the one that's on here. Then I'm going to change it to black because that's the color I would like it to be. Okay, and then at this point you're going to pull it over here. You want to make sure it's on top of the pool decoration, and how you can move these around is this arrange button. Send to the back. See, it's on the back, so you want that in the front. So send to the front. So anything that you add to this, you're going to use this arrange button to get it in the right location that you want it. Okay, if you like how the size is with the pool, then you're happy with it. You want to pull it away. Then we're going to go up here to the offset button. I like to use 0.080 and hit apply. Of course, you can use any size that you want. Okay, and then it's going to be gray. So in this case, I want it to match the outline of the pool. So I'm going to go over there, find the matching color, and click it. Okay, excuse me 1 minute. The cat just busted in. I got to close the door. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now that you have this blue part, that's the offset. Now that you have the first one over here, oops, I kind of missed this step. Make sure these are lined up correctly, and then highlight them and click group. You don't want the pool in there. On group. You just want the words at the group. Okay, once you get it like that, then you're going to put it over here to how you want it. It looks a little big to me, so I'm just going to scooch it down a little and then get it where you want it. You want it over the ball a little. So that's how you do that. And if you want to change any of these colors, say you don't like the blue, you want the ball to be orange maybe, you could go to basic cut, pick it over here on this side where you can see all the things, and then you can just go in here and change it. Maybe I want it orange. And it's just that easy to change the color. But I do like it the blue, so I'm going to put it back. So you can change a color of any of these. You want to change the color pool, just click on it, change it. Okay, so if you like how this looks, and I do, so you're going to highlight all of this, and then you're going to hit the offset again. And it should save the size of the offset that you used the last time. So when it gets done, you hit apply, and it's black. If you don't want it to be black, you can just click on the offset basic cut, and then just change the color up here. This one actually. Yellow, you can make it any color you want just by clicking on this and then choosing your color over here. I kind of like the black. I think it makes it pop, but it's totally your preference. Okay, and right there now it's ready to be made. I picked the wrong color for my ball. So let's go back up here, find that piece, and we want it the darker blue. So we're just going to click on that and make it the darker blue. Now personally, this little dot right here is very small. I didn't have the Cricut cut it out. So you just go over here, find it and hide it. And I just used a regular paper punch, one punch hole to make the hole for that. Okay, so if you want to make any part of this, maybe put some 3D dots and make it dimensional. Say I want pool to pop out. I'm going to click over here on pool and hit duplicate and cut 2 of them. Same with these bubbles. I want these bubbles to pop out. So just go over here and find which one it is. Hit duplicate. And maybe this one. So you would find it over here, hit duplicate. Now that's totally up to you. You don't have to do that. You know, you can put a piece of little 3D tape if you want to have it a little 3-dimensional. This is the other one. That was my sample. We'll hide that. So now you're ready to make it. Oh, this is in the way. So hit make it. And it's going to show you all the pages. Here's the second one. There's your 2 pools. So you have 6 different ones you're going to have to cut. Okay. So after you I'm going to cancel it because I don't want to make it. But after that, you just load the mats, cut them out how they're shown. And then it's kind of like putting a puzzle together, putting the pieces how you want them, how they go. What I do is I highlight this and I ungroup it and then I pull it apart, and that kind of gives you an idea how you need to layer it together. So you got the black, and then you're going to put then you can just see how you're going to have to layer it. This part goes next. And this, so that is how you do that, and I'll post a couple of pictures underneath the video that shows you what it looks like cut out. Thank you for watching. Let me know if there's any questions.